How you doing? And thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings here with a brand new 2020 GMC Denali HD. And as you can see there, we've got our popular Razor LED. I want to tell you first, thanks for joining us. We're the #1 source for construction and emergency strobe lighting and safety equipment for cars, trucks, buses, SUVs. And secondly, to make sure you check the video description for links to all of these products. We will link every product that you can see in the video's description. And as you can see on the front of this grill, we're using our Razor LED in an amber white combination. And I'll go ahead and lower the ISO for you, just so you can see a little bit more of that color swap. I'm sorry that the lights wash out the camera the way they do. We'll go ahead and put that back. You can also see that we've grabbed the front white spotlights in those mirrors. We've also grabbed the amber parking light in those mirrors. We have the roof running our auto flasher kit. The mirrors are also running our auto flasher kit. And you can see when we activate the rear of the truck, you can see now all 4 fenders are running our auto flasher kit as well. This particular truck, we're trying out something new. We went ahead and gave him a remote control, just a little 4-button fob. And that way he can turn on and off the lights with the remote control. Very cool. We've got flood mode in the grill. We've got front warning, which consists of the roof lights, both sets of forward-facing mirror lights, the front fenders, as well as the grill lights. We've got rear warning, which consists of the backward-facing mirror lights, the cargo light, the reverse lights, 2 Lin 6s underneath the tail lights, and the rear fenders. There's a little better side shot there where you can see the fenders and the mirror lights all going. We've got a rapid flash going on the fenders and the mirror amber parking. We've got an alternating flash on the roof. We split up the outers in the middle. We've got a nice alternating 75 flash on those bright white forward-facing spotlights. I guess GM saw that Ford was having all the fun with those white forward-facing mirror lights, and they wanted to up the ante, so they put a few into their new mirrors, and you can see they're quite bright. Here we got a little bit nicer view now that the grill isn't flooding the camera so badly. You can really see how that roof is doing its thing. Our fenders are also in the warning mode. You can see here how the razors fit beautifully right in between the grill here. We use a little piece of ABS plastic as a backer for the screw, and goes right in the grill very nicely. Try to get a little better focus for you, man. There you go. Very easy mount. Very nice way to get some razors in the grill. And did I mention that flood mode everybody loves? Alrighty, out back. I hope I don't disappoint. What we have here is 2 of our Lin 6 in an alternating triple flash in each step pocket in the back. We also smoked those light lenses, so when they're off, they're very discreet. We have our auto flasher running the factory white reverse lights you can see there, and we also have an auto flasher running that factory spoiler cargo light. By the way, that's a brand new design on that cargo light up there with the rear spoiler on the Chevrolets and the GMs, and as you can see, we can get in there and make that flash. Here you can see our Lin 6 tucked nicely up into that step, and with the smoked lens, it really does disappear. As you can see, when it's off, you really barely even notice that there's any light there at all. One of the specs on this truck was to keep it as inconspicuous as possible, and as you can see, hopefully we achieved that. Where did the lights go? They're gone. Alrighty, once again, thank you for watching Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety and strobe lighting equipment for cars, trucks, vans, buses, SUVs, and all kinds of equipment. Check the description of the video for links to all of these products individually, as well as a link for a package if you just want to buy all the parts at once and create this job in your own shop. We'll do that too. We hope you enjoyed the video. Drop a comment, drop a like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.